Hi, this is Shujoy from Seven Boards Academy. Today we will going to see how we can create a intro for your YouTube video. So basically the thing is you have to go to one tool that's name is Render Forest. From Render Forest you can make your intro but just by dragging your logo and your title and a slogan. So it's very easy, and let's go for this tool, and let's see how we can do that. So first you have to go to a render forest. So you have to click on render forest and click on this. So you have to click, actually you have to first log in with your account. So I already log in into my account. So right now I'm clicking on start now. So from here you can create a lot of things, like you can create a lot of videos or animated type videos, whiteboard animation, or you can say you can make a lot of logo making or website designs, mock-up graphics, lot of thing you can make from render forest. So now I'm making an intro video, so I have to go to a video section, and here you can see a lot of option like animation videos, intro, logos, video editing, slideshow presentation and all. So first I have to click on intros and logos, and you will see a lot of pre-made templates are there. You can choose any of them, one of them. Suppose I choose this one. This is the video, and I have to go to click on create now. So this is the dashboard. So basically this is the logo you have to put. This is a logo type intro. So you have to put your logo here. For example, if I take a Seven Boards logo, so you have to click here and upload your logo. Suppose I upload the Seven Boards logo. This is a Seven Boards logo. You just have to uh, upload here, and you can change your position also. So suppose I click on this and click on done, and here you can write your tagline, like our tagline is sell on it, growth with it. So here you can write your tagline and save and close, and if you have some description you can write it here also. You just have to put this, and you have to just go to a preview section and just have a look how it looks. So I already previewed that. It will take some time, so I already done that. So this is the video. So you just see how beautiful it looks like. So this is the video. So from here, if you want to remove your watermark you can, but it will take into some of the premium option. Now from here you can download this video also. You just left click and save video as, and you can download this video as a mp4 video. So it just downloaded. So this is how you can make some kind of logo intro type video with render forest. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe our channel for more similar updates. Thank you.